Cam, meet me at the end of the side. You see the car?
There's 2 cars. It was right there.
Yeah, put it in there, Key. Uh-oh, that's dangerous, Key. You're gonna have them going down backwards. There you go. Turn around so they can get it. Woohoo! Come on, Keelan, you gonna get in the jumper? You gonna jump? He's stuck at the car, so okay.
We're fixing him. He ain't ready to pay it yet.
Come on, Key-Bug. Woohoo!
People stuck outside.
Good job! Yay, Gus! Yay! Woohoo! Key-Bug, you know you have more toys.
I'm on your level now.
You have more toys, Key.
Let me go peep out here before they told me. Like, I'm gonna do the same thing. Look, where's my new people? Where is the bathroom?
Woo! You see, Key? Oh, there's Gus. Yeah! Keely, gonna give Gus a car? Yeah. Wait, what? Keely, you gotta let it drop. You trying to figure out which end it's gonna come out of? Just drop it, we'll see. Push it. Woo! It's coming on the yellow side. Yay, Gussie! We're gonna have to do an intermission with the video because I have to help and I can't record. Yeah, I know. It's so suckish.